Spotify is finally here in India, and with it come a ton of options that are pretty much a signature of the service. We are pretty sure you have explored the app, you have gone through all the settings, but we will show you how to use it like a pro. Playing music while navigating on Google Maps is not really very tricky, but playing it on the Spotify player separately is not really the best way to go about it. We'll show you a smoother option. In Google Maps, go to Settings, Navigation, then select Music Playback Controls and select Spotify. Once you give it all the permissions from the Spotify app, you'll notice that the next time you start turn-by-turn navigation on Google Maps, you'll get the music playback option on the map screen itself. This feature though is not really exclusive to Spotify. It will work with Apple Music, Google Play Music and some other services. Feel like sharing that great song you're listening to with the world on your Instagram stories, or maybe just boast about the good taste you have in music? Well, it's very easy to do with Spotify. On Spotify's mobile app, just tap the player at the bottom to make it full screen. From the song playback screen, select the share option on iOS or the three dots on Android and select share. Among other social media options, you'll also see Instagram stories. Just select that and you'll be taken to your Instagram stories post page, where you can add captions, stickers, or whatever else you want before posting. One of the best things about Spotify is this algorithm. It learns from what you're listening to and gives you suggestions accordingly. But sometimes you may want to play a song for a kid like a nursery rhyme, or you may want to listen to one of the songs that are your guilty pleasures, like say for example Rebecca Black's Friday. Well, before you start playing that, do this. Go into Spotify settings by tapping on the gear icon. There tap on social. You'll see a toggle for private session. Just turn it on and listen to whatever you want without getting judged by Spotify's algorithm. Even if you forget to turn off private session, Spotify will automatically switch tracking back on after a few hours of inactivity. It's very easy to fill up your Spotify library with playlists to the point where it gets hard to look for anything at all. But with folders, you can actually fix that problem. For this, you'll need to use the Spotify desktop app. Just go to File, New Playlist folder. You'll get the option to give the folder a name. We'll just call it Workout Music. Now simply drag and drop the playlist you want into the new folder and that's it. I can now get the music I want by tapping on the right folder. Once created, the folder will also reflect in your mobile app. If you're really serious about categorization, you can create subfolders in the folders also. You'll again need the desktop app for this one. Once you've created a playlist, just right-click on it and select Collaborative Playlist. Select that and there'll be a tiny circle right before the playlist name to indicate that it's open for collaboration. Now you can share the link of the playlist with your friends on social media or directly, and they can contribute tracks that they think fits in the list. But if your friends are anything like mine, things will go out of hand very fast. Thankfully, you can turn off collaboration just as easily as you started it. If you like this video and you would like us to do more tips and tricks videos, do click on the little icon that looks like this. And we have some other videos for you here as well. Thanks for watching.